Right, welcome back to the early 2000s. An Underglow on a T6. It looks bloody cool, doesn't it? Really does. I'm actually really pleased with it. Admittedly, Underglow can sometimes get a bit of a bad rep, I think mainly because of how quickly you can fit it and just rely on like the self-sticky tape and things. But if you sort of put effort into it, then hopefully it should stay on and be all good. So I've gone to the sort of full extent of trying to cable tie it every foot, half a foot. So stuck it on initially, cleaned all the surfaces obviously, stuck it all on initially, and then just cable tied it so that it all stays up there. And then all the mid points of cable that link each strip. So we've got left hand side, we've got a strip that goes around the front, cable in between, strip down the middle, and then strip at the end. Those bits of cable in between, I've then put like split Copex over, so just to try and protect them. And then, where I've then run them, I've tried to keep them inside under trays and stuff, just to try and keep it all out of the way, just to try and make it all last a lot longer, basically. And then also trying to avoid that whole seeing LEDs hanging down, because that's just horrible, isn't it? It just makes it look naff. But when it's like this, it looks cool as, doesn't it? It just really does. It's oh yeah, I'm a big fan of it. I think it's cool that it's sort of making its way back. And it's a fun job, it's a dirty job, getting in under there, jacking it all up and everything, give yourself some space. But I think it's worth it in the end. And with all the other little green accents that this customer's got in his van with his massive Porsche calipers and other bits and pieces here and there, it works a real treat. And then just to tie in with the overall lighting effect, we've also done the ambient lighting in the door cards as well, which I think you'll agree also looks pretty damn cool. Bring Sammy round. And you can see that lighting up in there. So we'll get the workshop lights off so it all lights up a bit more. But yeah, there you go. We just wanted to show you some awesome lighting on a T6. If you want some cool lighting and you want to add anything else to your van and you've got some cool ideas, then please get in touch. As you can see on all the T6 videos, we do loads for them. So please get in touch, let us know what it is you're looking out for, and hopefully you'll see that we try and do a real good job of making sure everything fits and works. In the meantime, keep watching, keep liking and subscribing. We'll see you again in the next one.